Howdy y'all, welcome back to another fabric haul video, and today I'm feeling real southern with Sharon Holland's latest collection, Spirited. Filled with these beautiful navy blues and marigold yellow, this collection just speaks my name. Let me give you a closer look at these fabrics. Look at those yummy prints. To no surprise, Sharon Holland did it again. Tinted with the autumnal shades of clay, lavender, turquoise, and denim, pay tribute to summer's last blooms and nature's majesty. Spirited is a collection with an attitude as big as bold as a Midwest prairie. So let's just get that more excited and take a closer look on these beautiful fabrics. Okay, starting off with these signature horses. This print is great for a backing of a quilt, or you can make some really cute Midwest style pillows, or making like a duvet cover on top of a bed and decorating your room with these like southern colors with the browns and the warm blues. This next print is filled with these grouping of florals on this like soft peach background, and this would look great with the other toned fabrics because they have a lot of multiple colors, and this is a very tonal print, so there's only 2 colors and you can easily fussy cut the flowers. So if you want to, you can fussy cut this group of 2, or grab a bigger group of flowers and you can fussy cut a bigger area for the center of a block or any patchwork project. This next fabric print I would consider a blender with its really tiny small scale flowers. This next print I consider like a striped print because they're going into vertical lines, and you can definitely make a shirt out of this, or you can cut out each row, and you can even use like the solid parts for smaller pieces if you need to. The solid parts are 2 inches wide and the actual print is 3 inches wide. It's filled with these lovely ditzy flowers. They're pretty small, but you can definitely cut out each piece if you wanted to fussy cut the smaller grouping of flowers. This would be really cool for a binding of a quilt. You have like a little bit of texture here and there throughout the binding, or you can use this as a really nice headband. This print is the same print as you saw with the darker brown background, but this one is in a light beige background, and this one is with the lavender and marigold yellows. Print reminds me of mountains, and it's on this soft denim blue background and very warm browns within each little design. This print is really fun because you can do so much with it. You can stitch within each little design. You can cut in a diagonal and make a really cool pillow. You could also cut each diamond for like a EPP project. And I saw recently Sharon made like the most gorgeous pillow on her Instagram page. I'll actually put the picture up so you could see it. And this is the print that she used. I find super romantic with these soft pinks, but it still has like a deep dark green in the background. And this print would be great for like a pillow cover because the florals are really big. So you could see like this group of florals are probably fit like a 6-inch square. There are groups of smaller florals, so you can fussy cut the center of this group of flowers. Next print are like these sun rays, but it's on like on a cinnamon color background, and these are fun to fussy cut as well. You can cut a 2.5-inch square around each little sun and avoid touching any other print. This would be fun to also diagonally cut for a really interesting look for quilt. This horse's print would be great for like a tea towel or like kitchen pot holders for a very rustic look. So here's that beautiful floral print again, and a great idea for like a bigger piece of floral is using it as the main print for a handbag and using like leather handles, or pair it with some denim. So this next print are these tiny florals grouped together, and you can definitely cut this fabric any way you like and it would still look good. Whether you cut a small piece or a larger piece, this will look great paired with like the bigger florals or the more minimal prints. This print you could also use for smaller projects like pouches. A pin cushion would be really nice. It's so cute because they're like these tiny chicken paw prints on this really golden yellow, and I love this print because it pairs really nicely with the darker colors of this collection. So using this as the binding for a pop of color, or just add it to any of your quilt projects to add a little bit of texture. Last but not least is the florals, but in the lavender background, and this would be great for bins or very smaller projects as well. Okay, so let's talk about the substrates that come with the Spirited collection. Let's start with this lavender print and knit. This print is so cute. You can make like empire style dresses or even like baby onesies. How cute would this be in a baby onesie? The next knit is the same ditzy florals we saw before, but in this warm orange color. This knit is extremely cozy. It'd be great for the long sleeve shirt, especially now that the weather is cooling down. The last knit we have are these prints that remind me of mountains, and these would be so cute for leggings or even a really nice scarf. For the second substrate offered in Spirited, it's this rayon print, and I love this print because it's super soft and flowy, and you can make a very flowy dress or a really nice button-up blouse. The same sun rays you saw in the warm sienna color background, but in this substrate it comes with a darker blue background. You can make some really fun straight-legged pants with these too. I'm a huge fan of all these warm colors of this collection, and in this navy blue is no exception. With the fall season here, I needed to make this kimono, ideal for layering on top of a blouse when it starts to get a little chilly. Now that you got to see these prints up close, I hope you're as much in love with this collection as I am. And if you want to grab these fabrics for yourself, make sure to check out this link right here where you can find your local shop that have these fabrics in stock. Don't forget that Sharon and a couple of talented makers made beautiful projects for her Spirited lookbook, so make sure to check that out, also in the link in the description box below. As always, if you like this video and you love me, give this video a thumbs up, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next fabric haul video. And until next time, happy sewing!